Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Many civil engineering students, they don't know bar bending schedule of circular column. As you know, in previous video I discussed bar bending schedule of simply supported beam. But today, in a simple way, I will teach you bar bending schedule of circular column. Guys, this is very simple. This is the demand of civil engineering students which are studying or which are working on construction site. Those who don't know how to make bar bending schedule of circular column. So if you didn't watch how to make bar bending schedule or bar bending schedule of simply supported beam, so the link is in the description of this video. So let's start bar bending schedule of circular column in simple method. Guys, you can see this is a circular column which diameter is 900 millimeter or 0.9 meter and height of the column is 3.5 meter. As you can see, guys, here we have 7 longitudinal bars which dia is 12 millimeter and dia of lateral tie is 8 millimeter, right? And concrete cover is 40 millimeter. Spacing between two lateral tie is 200 millimeter, which dia is 8 millimeter. As I told you, longitudinal bar dia is in this section 12 millimeter. Here you can see. Now, what are the steps for bar bending schedule of circular column? So we will find the cutting length of stirrup, cutting length of longitudinal bars, numbers of stirrups. So for that, guys, I will make some columns to make bar bending schedule, right? So the video will be little long, but don't skip the video because this is in a simple way, but also this is simple. So therefore I am teaching you in simple way. Okay, guys, you can see here we will make the first column same like this, and this is the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. If I required, so I will make the other one. Okay, so guys, in first column you will write here description, right? And second column you will write shape of steel, shape of steel. And third you will write numbers of steel, numbers. And fourth you will write diameter in millimeter. Okay, in fifth column you will write the length, also length in meter, right? In fourth, in sixth you will write total length. In meter. So guys, these are the columns for bar bending schedule, right? Like this. So now I need to find the cutting length of these longitudinal bars, which are 7 bars. Guys, you can see. So here I will write, guys, longitudinal bars. Okay, are main bars, right? Longitudinal are main bars. So guys, what is the shape? The shape of this is same like this, as you can see, guys. This is the shape. Here we have at the bottom, at the foundation, we fix it like dug leg. Okay, this is called dug leg shape. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the shape of steel bar, like this, also like this. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Okay, so right here 7 numbers. So what is the diameter of steel? which is 12 millimeters. So right here 12 mm. Now what is the length in meter, cutting length of each steel bar, each longitudinal bar? So guys, you can see here, to get this length, we will find with the formula of 16D, where D is die of steel bar, which is 12 millimeter. Okay, D is die of steel. Okay, so we can get, guys, with the formula of, so length is equal 3.5 plus, guys, you can see 3.5 plus what, 16D. Okay, so length is equal 3.5 plus 16 multiply 12. Okay, but remember, guys, here the 12 millimeter should be converted to the meter. Okay, so guys, this is very simple, as you know. So we have 1000 millimeter in 1 meter. Okay, so I will convert. So 12 should be divided by 1000. Okay, so it becomes 0.012. So 16 multiplies 0.012. So length become, guys, so sorry, now we will get 16 multiply this. Okay, so 3.5 plus 16 multiply 0.012. So it become 0.192. So it will become, the length become in simple way. Okay, this is very easy, guys. So 3.5 plus 0.192. So it become 3.692 meter. This is very simple, guys. So the length of longitudinal bar become what? 3.692 meter. So what is the total length? So the total length will become 7 numbers we have. Each steel bar height is 3.692. So 7 multiply 3.692. So it become 25.844 meter. So this is the total length of longitudinal bars. Okay, now it's simple to find the total weight of steel for longitudinal bars. As I told you in previous video, that the formula to find quantity of steel bar, that is D square divided by 162. So where D is here 12 millimeter. As you can see, guys, this is 12 millimeter. So guys, 12 multiply 12 divided by 162. So it will become 0.88 kg per meter. So this is the unit weight of steel per meter. Okay, now you will multiply with 25.844 with 0.88, then you will get the total weight of steel for longitudinal bars, for these bars, right? Now, guys, we have the other, that is lateral tie. So how we can find the cutting length of lateral tie? Okay, so lateral tie. Okay, so first of all, we are required to find the numbers of lateral ties. Okay, so how we will find the numbers of lateral ties? So numbers of lateral tie become, ties is equal height divided by spacing plus 1. So the height is, guys, 3.5 meter. So 3.5 meter divided by spacing is 200 millimeter, which become 0.2 plus 1. So we required how many numbers? Guys, 3.5 divided by 0.2. So we required 17.5 numbers. So say we required, 17.5 plus 1. Okay, so it become 18.5. Okay, say we required 19 numbers. So right here 19 numbers. What is the shape? The shape is, guys, same like this. Okay, these are hooks. So which dia is 8 millimeter? As you know, this one, 8 millimeter. Okay. Now guys, length and meter. We required length and meter. So how we can find the cutting length of lateral tie? Now guys, we required the actual diameter of lateral tie without concrete cover. So D is equal 900 minus one side concrete cover and other side concrete cover. Okay, so minus 40 plus 40. Okay, or it become 80 mm. Okay, plus 8. How? Because two sides we have and half of stirrup we will get again lateral tie diameter. Okay, or we will write 2 multiply 4, 8 become. Okay, because the diameter is for lateral tie 8 millimeter, so the half become 4. So 4 multiply 2, one side and other side. Okay, it will be 8 with concrete cover. So guys, it become D is equal 900 subtract 88. Okay, so 2 multiply 4, 8. So now we require guys 812 millimeter. This is the actual diameter of lateral tie. So now guys, what is the radius? Okay, this is diameter, so the radius become half of this, so it become 406 millimeter, right? 406 millimeter. So guys, you can see this is the formula. So in the formula I will write here 2 multiply 3.142 multiply the radius is 406 plus 2 hooks we have, so 2 multiply 10D again minus 2 bends, which is 2 multiply 2D, right? This is the formula. 2 bends will be deduct. Okay, one this bend and one other this bend, right? So guys, you can see here the circumference will become, our perimeter will become 2 multiply 3.142 multiply 406, so it become guys 2551. Okay, plus hooks. Okay, which diameter is 8, so 8 multiply 10, so 80 multiply 2, it become 160. Again subtract 2 D multiply 2, so it become what? 16 multiply 2, it become 32. So the actual length of the lateral tie become 2551 plus 160 hooks and subtract bends, which is 32 mm. So guys, it become 2.679 millimeter, sorry, meter. It become millimeter, 2679 millimeter. So guys, it become 2.679 meter, 2.679 meter. So how many numbers we have? 19 numbers, and each lateral tie length is 2.679. Okay, so guys, 19 multiply 2.679, so it become 50.91 meter. This is the total length of lateral tie in this column, in this circular column. So guys, this is the easy way for bar bending schedule of circular column. I hope it can help you to find the total quantity of steel bar if you are working on construction site or if you are studying. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.